Alright, apparently my last recording just decided to stop somewhere in the middle, which is absolutely weird. But here is, this is 4b. Again, you just need to construct your perpendicular bisectors for all three sides of your triangle. And so, to do that, I found it really easy just to pick one radius to go out on my compass on, and use that same hole to make arcs that make fairly big arcs that go all the way around, and use that same radius when I make all of the arcs, because what's going to happen is your arcs are going to cross each other. It's going to cross not twice but three different actually let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna cross. Each arc is gonna have 4 intersections, and each pair of intersections are going to form the intersections you need for your perpendicular bisectors. And so once you have all three of those three perpendicular bisectors done, you can show that they cross at the same point, which makes them concurrent. Moving on to 5. Again, I use the same method as I did before. These vertices for your triangle are going to be the center for your compass, and you just pick a radius that's big enough to go past halfway for all three lengths. So that's why this one goes clear out here. And when you do that, you're going to get your intersection points for your arcs, which makes it so you can draw your perpendicular bisectors. And this one's down in this region. It didn't fit on my screen apparently. And yeah, I got all three of those drawn together. And once you have all three of those perpendicular bisectors drawn, they're going to meet at a point. This is going to be the center for your circle. Put the center of your compass here, and then you just go out and make sure you put a hole on the one of your vertices for the corners. And as you draw it around, you'll find that it crosses all of the vertices of the triangle. And so you've now you've inscribed the triangle in a circle. And this one's just a repeat of it. You got your three corners. I pick one radius for all of the arcs. And when you have your intersection points, you can draw your perpendicular bisectors like we've been doing. They'll meet at a common point. And once you have that common point, you put the center of your compass there and go out and put a point, put your pencil through a hole that goes through one of the vertices, and then you just draw it around. It'll cross all three vertices, and they'll all be on the circle. And that's how you do all the perpendicular bisectors.